Hey guys, I am super excited for this video. So we went out for mahi and sailfish, and I ended up catching my PB King, measured in at 51 inches, which is just awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I did catch another amberjack right here, and it just came in just a little short, just about 2 inches short, but it was still a fun fight. I think I fought 3 or 4 of them that day, and he was the only one I landed. So hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comments what you think. Chill. It's gonna be short, but chill out, dude. I need your big brother. I need the boy that broke me over. He's a little guy. When we were up close, I got cut off like back to back. Like I dropped, cut off, dropped, cut off.
To 10 or 29.
And I was like, well, this is my last one, so I'm gonna head out there.
All right.
I'm on big.
That's gonna be our fish, not kayak.
He might pull me.
Chase it down.
I think it's a huge king.
Ooh, doggy. Look at that dude. Hold him, turn him over.
Hold on, let me get some fish grips in his mouth so these hooks aren't.
Yeah, just cut. Yeah, I just cut it so that.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more.
Dude, I can't lift it up.